Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best laptop screw kit is probably one of the most overlooked tools for anyone who tinkers with laptops. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a casual user, having the right screws at your fingertips can save you a lot of headaches. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of laptop screw kits, exploring what makes a great kit and why you should consider adding one to your toolkit. Number 5. QTEATAK 300 PCS Laptop Screws Kit. Are you tired of loose or missing screws on your laptop? This kit is the perfect solution. It includes 300 pieces of screws, designed to fit various laptop brands. Made from alloy steel with oxidative blackening, this kit ensures durability and longevity. The screws are built to withstand daily wear and tear, providing a reliable fix for your laptop. This kit is compatible with many popular laptop brands. Whether you have an IBM, HP, Dell, or other brand, it likely has the screws you need. The kit includes 15 of the most commonly used screw sizes. This variety ensures that you'll have the right screw for the job, no matter the model. Please keep this kit away from children. Due to the small size of the screws, they could pose a choking hazard if swallowed. What we like. This kit offers a solid 300 pieces of screws, ensuring you have plenty on hand for various repairs. Its wide compatibility across multiple laptop brands makes it a versatile choice. If you're a repair enthusiast or someone who frequently works on different laptop models, it's a great choice. You'll find it incredibly convenient. What people say. The kit arrived as described with no issues. It had the screw I need, M5.5, for my Alienware M17R5 AMD laptop. The screw's appearance was same as the other's OEM case screws. Number 4. Laptop Screw Kit 450 PCS for SSD IBM HP Dell. Are you tired of struggling with loose screws during laptop repairs? This kit is designed to make your life easier. It includes everything you need to fix your laptop. This kit contains 450 high-quality screws. They are made of alloy steel with oxidative blackening. You can trust them to be durable and reliable. This kit includes 15 different sizes of screws. It has popular sizes like M2, M2.5, and M3. It also includes screws for SSDs. Whether you're repairing an IBM, HP, Dell, Lenovo, or Asus laptop, this kit has you covered. It is a versatile solution for all your repair needs. The screws come neatly packed in a storage box. This makes it easy to find the size you need. It keeps them organized and prevents loss. What we like. With 450 pieces and 15 different sizes, this kit provides a comprehensive selection for most laptop repair needs. The inclusion of a storage box keeps everything organized and easy to find. If you're looking for a well-organized and extensive screw kit for your laptop repairs, it is perfect for you. What people say. Get this for Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus laptops if you need a single screw. It contains every screw you could ever need for laptops as far as I know. With very few exceptions, this kit covers pretty much all you may need, for years to come. Number 3. NINDEJIN Laptop Screw Kit, 650 PCS. Introducing the NINDEJIN Laptop Screw Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to solve all your laptop screw problems. It's the perfect solution for anyone needing replacements. Made from carbon steel, this kit ensures durability and reusability. These screws are built to last and can easily replace any faulty or damaged ones. You can rely on it for all your repair needs. The kit includes M1.4, M1.7, M2, M2.5, and M3 sizes. With sizes ranging from 4mm to 16mm, it fits almost all computer types. This variety ensures you have the right screw for the job. This kit isn't just for laptops. It's also great for sports equipment, lawnmowers, and other household and commercial equipment. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any repair kit. You get 650 pan head screws in 24 different sizes, neatly organized in a portable plastic storage box. This makes it easy to find the right screw and keep everything organized. It's a complete and convenient solution. Please keep this kit away from children due to small parts. This ensures safety while you work on your repairs. Always handle it with care. What we like. This kit stands out with its use of durable carbon steel, ensuring longevity and reliability. It includes a wide range of sizes, making it suitable for almost any computer repair. If you are looking for a durable and versatile kit for various repair tasks, you should consider it. What people say. Has a great mix of screws, and the screws themselves seem to be quite high quality. Screw worked perfect. A must-have for laptop repair screws for the outer case. Good selection and quantity of each screw in a small compact case. My customers' laptops are always missing various screws when they arrive, and now they go back with everything fully attached. Number 2. QTEATAK Laptop Screws Kit. This is a 240-piece laptop screw kit from QTEATAK. It's designed to help you replace screws in your laptop, SSD, or hard drive. It's a handy kit to have for any computer repair. The screws are made of alloy steel with oxidative blackening. This ensures durability and resistance to wear and tear. You can trust this kit to last. This kit is compatible with many popular laptop brands. It works with IBM, HP, Mac, Dell, Lenovo, Samsung, Sony, Toshiba, Gateway, and LG. It's a versatile solution. The kit includes 12 of the most commonly used screw sizes. These sizes are M2*3, M2*4, M2*5, M2*6, M2*8, M2*10, M2.5*4, M2.5*5, M2.5*6, M2.5*8, M3*5, and M3*8. It has what you need. Please keep this kit away from children. The small screws could be a choking hazard. Always use it safely. What we like. This kit offers a solid 240 pieces of screws, ensuring you have plenty on hand for various repairs. Its wide compatibility across multiple laptop brands makes it a versatile choice. If you're a repair enthusiast or someone who frequently works on different laptop models, it's a great choice. You'll find it incredibly convenient. What people say. This is a nice assortment of screw sizes, and the container is actually good and keeps each size separated, unlike some assortment options. Great quality and plenty of variety. I initially purchased to repair my computer but have ended up using on a variety of items throughout the years. Used these to fix our laptop. Glad I got a good number of choices, so hard on these small screws. Number 1. Laptop Notebook Screw Set, Electronic Repair Kit. These computer replacement screws are made of high-quality carbon steel. They are durable, non-toxic, and reusable. It will fit almost all kinds of computer types. You'll receive 720 pieces of 24 different types of laptop screws. They are well made and neatly packed. The low-key black color helps them blend in with the computer. The screws come with a clear box for easy storage. A label on the lid indicates the screw models. This makes finding the right screw during repairs simple. This kit is perfect for many computer brands. It works well with Sony, Dell, Samsung, IBM, HP, and Toshiba, as well as other computers with similar screw sizes. The package contains small parts. Please keep it away from children to prevent accidental ingestion. It's important to be careful when handling these small screws. What we like. This kit boasts a whopping 720 pieces across 24 different types, offering unparalleled variety. The included storage box and labeled lid make organization a breeze. If you are a professional repair technician or someone who values having every possible screw size at your fingertips, it is the perfect choice. What people say. The variety of M2, M2.5, and M3 screws covers virtually every size needed for modern laptops, SSDs, and small electronics. The organization is excellent. Each size is clearly labeled in its own compartment, making it easy to find exactly what you need. They're properly machined with good threading that grips securely without damaging the receiving holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.